Are we live? I guess we are. Welcome to the stream. You can tell by this relaxing song that it's going to be a chill one. Nothing crazy. I've already worked 10 hours at on my programming job thing today. And I don't want to do anything too crazy. Today I'm just going to fuck around with some weapon stuff. I have a list, which I'll get to in a sec. I'm good. How are you, everyone? Thanks for watching. India Spliff. I love seeing that name. Anyway, today I just want to do some fucking weapon logic stuff. Yeah. So to start with, it's going to be the Glock. Like, basically, people were calling me out when it's empty, it's broken. So, like, imagine when you fire it, like, you get to your final shot. The slide needs to come out. I can't show you because this is just my hand, but that's what needs to happen. And then also a different animation for the reload, and same for the AK, a bunch of shit. I'll just show you the list because I can't actually remember. How does this work? Oh, over here? No, over here. Alright, this is the list of things. Yes, fix the Glock slide, add the animations, fix that broken one, only change the ammo counter when it's time, weapon sway, and maybe this. And also fix light missive bug in empty space. Okay, so if you're wondering what the fuck this is, like if you're just new, this is what this is. It is a renderer written in OpenGL and C++. Last time we got these lights working, the glow. Before that, I can't remember. What's new is these AK textures. That's pretty fucking, that's been needed for a while. It's also a split screen thing. But anyway, I just want to fucking start because this shit is not actually going to be easy. All the things on this list have something annoying about them. So I'm just going to fucking start. Maybe I'll just have a quick read of this chat. Is there anything? 6 AM, yeah, for me it's 1:15. Working hard or hardly? Yeah, I just want to chill because what's coming up next, like the big ones I want to do, are breakable glass and ragdolls. And they're big. And I'm not ready to do that now. I need to go to bed in like an hour or two. So, I got this coffee. I got these 2 cups of tea. They'll probably all be cold by the time I get around to drinking them. And a couple of these. I don't know. It's okay to have a drink every so often. I'm not going to beat my kids. Because I'm never going to have any. Because how can you program if you've got a bunch of fucking things running around? Alright. That was barely lit. Okay, let's go. Straight up. I'm scared, my bomb didn't work. I think I need to reload the cache. Give me a sec to figure this out. Alright, we're going in. What the fuck is wrong with this bomb? Alright, let's go. So, oops, I feel more comfortable on this side. No kids gang, that's it. Get out of split screen. Okay, so. Yes. I wanna. The goal is to move the back of this slide of the Glock, right? We all know how guns work. We are violent people. Can we just have a look at this textures for a sec on this AK? Oh, yes. Alright, so I did have a quick look at this, kind of cheated before the stream. This draws animated game objects, and there's nothing good here that's going to help me. A bunch of bullshit. So I just need to... Let me think about this. I just need to... I need to find the bone that... I need to find the bone. I need to print the bone names. If it's a Glock. SD, CD... Wait. Let's think about how this works. For all the animated transforms, yes, print the fucking name. Fuck. I should have done a bit of homework before I forget how this animation shit works. Okay, every animation has bones. Right? Just give me a sec, this shit's confusing. Bone names. Oof. I need to look. I think this has names. Thank God that has names, because I was forgetting how everything worked then. Yeah, slow start, we got this. Can I just hot load that? Good morning. Good morning from Melbourne. Hello, Russia. A lot of Russians in here. That is fucking sick. Hello, Japan, friend. Optics. I've ignored the chat the whole time, I'm sorry. Particle system, yep, at some point. Been lurking the Discord. Hey man, thanks for being here. Miss My League replays. He's here for a live one. Maybe she. Am I seeing anything in the console? Yes, I am. Okay, now the bone. Am I just doing this for the Glock? I hope so. Nope, I'm not. I'm printing everything. That's the problem. Get in there. I just gotta start again. Rebuild this. Basically, this function draws animated shit. And I'm gonna check if it's a Glock, and if it is, I'm gonna print the bone names, because that's the first step. Find the name of the fucking bone that is the Glock slide. What are you waiting for? Just checking I'm not some big cunt. And I picked a very chill playlist today because I want to be calm. That's just printing the word Glock? What the fuck? Okay. What do we see now? God damn it. Alright, fuck. Perhaps that just doesn't work. Alright, we're gonna take a fucking chance here. We need some new lines at least, so we know what the hell is going on. Look. I know it seems like nothing's happened. And I'm already like 4 minutes in, but I just have to get my head into the right place. You know? Okay. What the fuck is going on? Okay, cool. Switch to the Glock. The Glock is out. So we are looking for the bone. That is probably the Glock. Slide. Look at it. Slide. Okay. I need the index of the shit as well. What the hell is that? Okay. Whoops, that's not a character, that is a string. Oh, whoops. Can I just hot load this? Please hot load work. A-Gang, HK Labs, Garflin, respect for modding this chat. Lovely. And the slide is 3. Alright, no smoking. 3. Cool. So, let's just move bone 3. That's what I'm going to do, just shift the bone. If fucking I equals 3. By the way, this is not going to be the final code. I'm just hacking this in for fun right now. After the streams, I usually go through and tidy shit up. Okay, so if you're on the 3rd bone, I'm going to modify this bone. I know this code looks like total trash, just fucking deal with it, okay? Okay. I feel like it's the world space animated transforms I want. I can't remember. Which do I send to the shader? Where does it happen? Is this not the code that even draws it? Come on, it surely is. Perhaps these are done elsewhere. They are done elsewhere. They're already calculated at this point. Of course they are. Okay, fine. Look, wait, hold on. What? I just can't be operating at random here. I need to fucking figure my shit out. It's called skinning mats. It takes in animated transforms local. Okay, so that's the ones I'm fucking with. Local. I equals 3. That's what I wrote, didn't I? Local. So I'm just going to modify that. with a little fucking transform that moves it along, I guess, the Z-axis. Who knows what the convention is within that model file. We'll say we'll say Z. We'll move it fucking 10 to be certain. I mean, yeah, we want to see some change. Matrix equals matrix times transform to a matrix. Okay. And let's just put that in there. Fucking hell. Matrix. Okay, little build there. If I'm not crazy, if my brain hasn't failed me, hopefully, where have I gone? Hopefully the third bone will have shifted 10 meters, or maybe 10,000. I'm not sure what the scale of this file is. I think it's actually something weird. This plant's phone's got water in it, and they used to be an animator. Just loading the models. I'm gonna move this. Whoa, shit, we can't print that. Sorry. Hot load and move this window. Fuck, I can't do shit until this loads. 1 second. There. That way you can see the ammo counter. So nothing happened. That's fucking tragic. I wish it did. Maybe it did. Perfect amount of chaos, yeah. I thought this step would be easy. I honestly thought I could move the bone in about a minute. How long did it take to get the animation? I didn't make him, someone else did. What's these new lines that are going there? It's these. Fuck this bone shit. Man, I don't know if I can figure this out. Of course I can. What's wrong with it then? Ah, they're not sent to the shader. This is already after they've been sent to the shader. Okay, so where the fuck does skinning maths happen? What are they called? Can't delete that yet. Put it on the clipboard. Skinning mats. Just then I changed the matrix after the shader had already received it. It's here in the drawer. Wait, that's just above that. God, I'm fucking stupid. Okay, so I'm just gonna fucking put this in here. Put this here. Do not write code like this. Move Glock slide. Yep. Yeah, my strong point is writing rendering code very quickly. I fucking struggle with this, but I know this is rendering code, so shit, I do suck, I guess. I have no strong points. Okay, reload that. If all goes to plan, in a few seconds this would just disappear. Oh, what happened? God damn it, what the fuck? Because I didn't change it. They're both called Matrix. Come on, man. Think about what you're doing here. Matrix equals that. Sup, sniper. How do I stay motivated? I'm not sure. Do I see motivated right now? Welcome, Tiny Sam. What's up, Forbidden? More JPEG. GL. Look at that! It's gone! I like that. I was beginning to think I could not solve this. So obviously that's too far. Let's just try 1. Let's just try 10. Hot load. In case you haven't heard the word hot load, it means to reload the code live. And Visual Studio lets you do that. But it's a bit weird. I don't really know how it works. It just works sometimes. Did you learn this by yourself or from school? By myself. I like how you don't use a desk. Yeah, I just don't have one. But if I did, I wouldn't use it because I like this setup. Well, look at that. We went the wrong way. So it's not Z, even though it should be. It's so fine. What do you reckon of this? X? And we'll keep it 10 just so we can see which way we're out of ammo. Lucky there's some in this drawer. And that was the wrong way. Look at that shit. Okay, so it's definitely Y. And I think that's too much. We'll say 3. I'm just going to assume every question's for me. I'm from Tasmania. And that's it. Look at that. That's exactly the amount I want. So it can't always be like that. Can it? I think I need to do something disgusting and just take in a player pointer here. And if the player is got the Glock out and it's empty, that's when it'll happen. Player pointer. Is this a local function or what? Draw animated game object. Is that not what it's called? Draw animated object. Where are you defined? Where the fuck are you defined? In the renderer, probably. I regret not remembering anything. It just only is defined here. Wow. It must just be above the code that calls it. Okay, so if it takes in a player. Yes, give it the player. And what else? Player. Cool. Yep. Can you use C#? You can, but all the tutorials are in C++, and C++ is a better language. It's deeper. You'll learn more if you switch to that. Put a switch on the Glock. What kind of switch? Okay, so we now have a player. So if the player... I need to know if this animation is the Glock. This is dirty. Okay. Because this function takes in an animated game object. So I'm just going to say if the animated game object equals the player's... what's it called? It is first person weapon, a pointer to it. I need... So if you happen to be rendering the animated game object that is the player's weapon, and I'm going to go to hell for this code, and the player's current weapon index equals the Glock, now we're talking. Okay, this is a little... I want to say like abomination, but like abominationary. And the Glock get current weapon ammo is 0. I don't know how to fucking format this. Cool. Yeah. Ooh, no, that's bad. That's very bad. Wow, this is ugly. Okay, I'm just gonna hotload this and everything will work. I hope. There's an error. Apparently, this doesn't know what matrix is. So what's just happened? I have not wrapped this properly. That's it. Okay, got it all under control. You know what? I'm just going to one-line this so I can actually understand what the hell I'm doing. Yep, I know that doesn't fit on the screen. Move the Glock slide, if necessary. And load it. What's up? C-Tine? Sorry, I'm not reading the chat much. Are you doing sequence-based reloads? What does that mean, Jinx? Am I not loading? What's the error? What's the error? Does not take 2 arguments? Well, how did I miss that? Is the source public? Yeah, it is. The source code's public, but I haven't pushed in a few days. I've been working on this project for like 6-7 years, since I started learning programming in OpenGL and all this fucking nonsense. My ultimate goal with this engine is to make a game. Now, are you ready? Look at that, it worked. Kind of. You reckon it's back far enough? I can't decide. It's also clipping through the fucking hand, I think. No, it's not far enough. We were gonna move it back 5 and maybe spell necessary correctly. I think that would be necessary. How long do you need to study to write a game engine? How long all day? This question gets asked repeatedly, but what you want to do is just start learning C++, or this is the route that I would suggest. Learn C++ and work through learnopengl.com. Same goes with the mag in, mag out. The player swaps off reload animation before the chamber. When they reload next, only need to chamber the weapon. I think when I play the right animation, you will see that it is correct here, but if not, tell me what I need to change. I like that. I know it looks a bit too far. Okay, so that's basically done. Now, I just gotta play a different reload animation. And you know what? I have it bound to a different key. I can just fake it like this. Whoa! That's insanely big. And that didn't change anything. Because it wasn't a proper reload. Okay, so that all looks good. Now in the player function, file, I will look for update. And if you are on 0 ammo, I will play the correct reload animation. Someone tell me where I need to go. Play animation. If you have the knife out, no. If you have the Glock out. If you are a Glock guy and you press reload, okay, yes, but if get ammo, what's the function called that tells you how much money ammo you have in your clip? Get current weapon clip ammo. Okay. If that equals 0, play a different one. Else, whoops, wrong. And what's this other one called? Glock reload empty. I'm just going to rebuild from scratch. Do you work on the game design side of the project simultaneously? I have the vision in my mind of what I want to make, and it does change. Like when I implement something and I'm like, oh, that's actually kind of cool. Like a bug that comes and it looks cool, or something doesn't work, I change it, like I adapt it. Yes, I'm using 4.2 gigs of memory, I think. There is a bounty for someone to fix this code. Just fix that, and I'll pay you. Like, I'm not sure how much, just give me a quote. Reload, look at that, bam, and it's good. Regular reload, and when you're actually out of ammo, hold on, let me just get this in the right spot so you can see the ammo counter. Okay, regular reload is here. Fire the fucking clip, and there we go. I know the sound's incorrect for this. Do I have that sound? Because someone asked how long I've been doing this, and I said 7 years, but I've rewritten this engine so many times. 10, maybe. And this version I started in September. So the old version probably has the audio file, maybe, I can't remember. It's not like the old version was finished, it just had some stuff done on it. And I have an animator guy reload from empty. Fuck yes. So this needs to go in the real folder. Res audio. Now what's cool about this engine is when it detects, when you first ask it to play a sound, it loads it. So that's all I have to do. Like out of ammo is denoted by red font. Fuck yeah, that's a great idea. Emit. Okay, cool. Side quest. How do I deal with burnout? I don't burn out on my engine because it's such a fucking pleasure to work on. I burn out at work, and when that happens, I start to just program really badly, and then I tell my fucking boss, I say, dude, I need a week or 2 or a month off. And he says, you know what, take your time. I appreciate you, and you need to take the time. And that's why I keep working that job. My dream job is this, my engine, but I like the guy I work for, and I want to help him. And he's good to me, and I'm good to him. That's the secret to a successful, happy job. Relationship. Okay, regular reload sound. Oh, I will fucking like that. Whoops. Cool. Perfect, that's done. What's next on the list? Wait, ammo number needs to go red. Cool, so I'm pretty sure somewhere I render that. Okay, ammo color. Ooh, okay. So ammo color can be red if get, what was it called? It was called get weapon clip ammo. If that equals 0, ammo color equals red. Is that good enough? I feel like a gradient for the ammo font. Yeah. I was gonna say, I'm not sold on the ammo counter font and everything. I've been neglecting these 2 cups of tea. Flu, I will never not talk to you. You can call me any hour, any day, and I'll always be there for you. Well, it didn't go red. If the weapon clip ammo is 0, do I have to hotload this? I mean, reload this from scratch? I feel like I didn't. But that should work. You want to start developing games. Do you recommend C# or C++? C++ definitely. What the hell is everyone thinking about with this C# shit? Assignment, not comparison. Oh my god. That's why I do this live. Because I can't see with my eyeballs. I'm actually blind, and I'm programming this entirely by feel and my memory, so it's helpful, because sometimes I do press equals twice. Oh, that's a bit too red though, isn't it? We can't have that color. What color? Slightly... R is that. Now I think red, I reckon like A. Don't listen to this motherfucker, C# is great. Garfin, you are spreading disinformation, mate. I don't know, is that color okay? It's still a bit like fucking LCD screen. We're smooth around here. Fuck, I've been big for like an hour, I'm so sorry. Whoops. In case you just tuned in and have no idea what the hell's going on, I am a programmer from the planet Hell, and I am just tweaking some color values. Come on, hotload. Oh, I don't know. Look, this is a speed run. How long can I work on this? Look, that's it. That's good. Does it work for this gun? You bet your fucking hairy balls it does. Okay, cool. So, what's next on the list? Done. We all like making lists, don't we? It feels good to make a list and tick it or move it to a different category. Black Ops. Z thinks it's lovely to be from hell, and it's not bad. Sorry. It's not bad. I can't wait to make this glass break. So, that's done. Add the correct... That's done. My control key is barely working, and those must be indented to match. Add the correct reload animation. Alright, this is going to be a nightmare. Fuck yeah, wrecked. 007, if you just tuned in and don't know that this is split screen, check this out. Does this give you GoldenEye vibes? Ignore these character models. I'm into that shit. Okay, so. The clock is a-ticking. Add sound to empty mag. What do you mean? There's a different reload. Everyone listen? Or do you mean something else? Okay, I need to fire up Blender. Wait, I need to download the file from the animator. Wait, I already have it. I don't know. I'm just gonna... Look, new rule, I don't dox anyone, so I'm just gonna download this file. Because my animator fixed some shit and I need to get the new one. From Discord, that's where we communicate as adult tech bros and sisters. I'm just going to close Discord so I don't do anything mean to anyone. Immoral. File is downloaded. Will you try shoot with... When you try shoot with 0 bullets... Ah, I see. You mean like a dry fire, like tick tick sound. Yes. That can be added to the list. But not there, because that wasn't included in the speedrun. That would take an hour to implement. I'm trying to catch all the relevant questions. Okay, here we are. You know what we want to see? Because the AK has the same problem. I mean, same requirement. Am I big? No. And that is that. It needs... Ooh, this animation. See that? Wait, where are the hands? You guys might not know this, but there's actually female arms as well. Which are these. For all weapons. Because there's going to be a female option. in the character creator screen. In the creator skater scene. Keep with it. Okay. So that's all good. Add dropping bullet. That shit's called dry fire? I don't know. I just picked that shit up along the way from somewhere. I think like an animation was saved with that name. Now, what I need is these very special rules I made myself because it is not easy to get this to work in the game. I have to select this shit. Okay. Select what? DM master, animation, pose, DM, that shit. I reckon I can remember that. This. Is that it? I want to... Is that everything? I don't have quite the same shit selected, so I should probably deal with that. That looks like it. Now I export with these settings. Everyone good? Only 3S Max. Yeah, well these animation files are in blend format. So, yeah. I'm navigating to the directory that has the animations. Now I'm going to just not overwrite that, but we'll say, what's the Reload. What's the Glock one called? Empty. Now here is the nightmare area. Selected objects. Yes, yes. Turn those off. Only deform bones. How dare you add leaf bones? Bake animation. Yep. I saw those were off. And 1, 0. I think that's it. Cool. So that's going well. I hope so, Blender. Don't fuck me on this one. Now I'm looking for the asset manager that loads animations. These must be done manually because that's the kind of engine I've written. Reload. Why am I reloading it? I mean, loading it twice. Cool. And I'm just going to play that in as the regular reload for now. I think. And I'll do a fucking big load because, I mean a build because animation's only loaded on program init. I think you can make presets for exporting. What kind of presets? Oh, I mean Blender ones. Researcher Best is requesting the Discord, I mean the GitHub. I blindly do everything everyone tells me. I assume you want the source code. So, there's actually more to this list. See all this shit? Some 3ds Max stuff. Because that's what I get out of Blender. And that's not my fault, that's a simp's fault. A simp is, it's well known that a simp is fucked when it comes to FBX. It just misses a bunch of transforms and they're not in there. Your file is actually wrong, but it can be fixed. In everyone's favorite modeling program, 3ds Max. What's up, Jambo? Hey, Mark. I'm good, just working on some boring ass weapon shit. I only like rendering. Logic stuff hurts me and I'm bad at it, but it needs doing. Because without this shit, what do you draw? Unless you have some game logic stuff, you're just drawing a fucking triangle and a cube and a skybox. You need actual shit to make it interesting. So import that animation from here. Cool. Now obviously that's facing the ground. It looks like that, and it does. Now, remove 90 degrees X rotation. Alright, I'll fucking do that, I think. Lovely. Am I big? No. Sniper animates in 3ds Max, but now he's making a game for the phone. You played with Crywank. We did actually. We did play a show with Crywank. How do you know that, Bradley Smith? You were asking about Crywank the other day. Today's goal is a bunch of weapon stuff. Was that Mark that asked that? Yes. These are done. Just fix the slide of the Glock. I'll show you. If you just didn't see this. See now the slide's back. And this plays. That's all that's been done so far. And this has to happen. Just a bunch of shit that needs doing. Okay. That lamp needs to never be on the table. That's just... Whoops! If you reload this, that's right, that happens. Okay, so... I'm halfway through this list of bullshit. Add... Now rotate the camera 90 in the Z offset screen here. I'm very lucky I have done this, otherwise I would be here for a long time. 90 degrees local offset. Got it. That just moved a bit, I saw it. What? There's one more thing. Fix the duration, it'll be on 0 to 100. Of course, this animation goes for 65 frames. Not... There's a fly on my screen. Not the 100 that 3ds Max incorrectly read. Better not be big, that would be embarrassing. Do I just overwrite this? I need to rebuild. Or rather just rerun. Am I only focused on PC? Yeah. But like if I finish this and it's cool and shit, I'll rewrite it for every platform. Well, no, I'm probably on the Xbox. Because fuck knows how you write PlayStation games. There it is. We've never seen that. I've never seen that. I wish there was a sound for this animation, because he does that little thing on the side. Okay, so same deal. Just have to play the right animation when it's empty. So the Glock has this code, and it's right here. Also, if anyone makes audio files, I forgot the name of the guy that made my last shit, so I need a new audio dude. So if you know how to make sounds, you can make the sounds for this AK, and I'll pay you. So where was this happening? If you're empty, play that. If you're not, play that. And apparently I have that sound. Whoops, put it in the wrong spot. No, I didn't. Looks good to me. I think I just need a hot load. What's up, Brian? Why has your name got a border? Do you have like 1 billion subscribers? I feel like you do. Tokyo Spliff is me, and I am from Tasmania, Australia, planet Earth. Spelled like this. Look it up on Google Solar System. Okay, so a regular reload is like that, and we are knocking these out of the park. I have 50 minutes to do what? Weapon sway. Why is that so indented? Oh, because these... Look, never mind. Replace broken... Yeah, you probably can't tell, but the hand is actually clipping. If you pause, and if you rewind this stream and pause that, you'll see the clip... The mag clips through the hand. It's gonna be a horror game. Fuck yeah, it is. So I need to fucking export the the correct reload from here. Did I do the right one? Yes. Cool, now we're gonna go through the whole process again. What a fucking nightmare. Reload. Are these all correct still? Fucking better be. Okay. So you obviously know what's gonna happen for the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna fucking do all that again. Doom guy, hey man. My eyes feel like they're hanging out on stalks. So hopefully it's just the same process. Of course it is. Rotate, remove the 90. Add the camera, rotate the camera 90. Oh, I have streamlined this process. Whoops, forgot the time. It remembers it from before? Or from the file somehow? Something seems off to me, I don't trust it. And I have to reload this from the beginning. Hold on. Put some Chief Keef for motivation. I feel like things are going too smoothly because I'm not drinking or smoking, and I probably should change that. I said in an old video that I couldn't go back to Vulkan. You said in an old video that you couldn't go back after trying Vulkan. Has this changed? Embryo, what do you mean? What do you mean? Kind of looks like the muzzle flash rotates. It does rotate. How did you spot that? Do I need more muzzle flashes? Different ones? Probably. Can you tell that? How can you see that? Jeremy? I think Jeremy's a Terminator. Wait. Live chat is correct. Okay, so what's going on? I fucking can't tell if that's correct. Can someone pause the stream and tell me if this hand is clipping anymore? Of course it's not. I re-exported the thing. It's good. You know what else I have? And this is going to blow maybe someone's mind. Check this out. That's right. Full ADS animation set. What's this? Idle. Just chillin'. Bam. So that'll be cool. Maybe you could even do that now. Oh, should I do that now? I don't know. Nah, weapon sway. Am I on something? Am I on something? I'm just programming. This is what programming does. It's fun. It makes you happy. Friendly Soul's mind is blown. I'm not sure from what. I just missed the present. So, and yes, I know it's been almost 2 weeks since Christmas and this tree should come down, but I like the colours. Okay, so that's done. Only add the number of the thing when it occurs. This would be kind of weird to code. I only want the clip to go up when it changes. So that's going to be on like what frame what? Frame, it looks like frame 25 and 25 over 65 is at 38% of the way through the animation. I'm just gonna put this here. See ya, HK Labs. How do I have the willpower to? How do I have willpower to code after coding at my day job? I usually don't. I usually am like looking at the noose after my day job. It's just there ready to, there it is, to put on if I really need to, but today was chill. Today I just, well, I've had 2 months off, which is why I started streaming, because I just had a bunch of spare time. I just took some time off because I did burn out, and my dog died, or I put him down. He was 15 years old, a German Shepherd, and I needed some time after to kind of recalibrate, because that devil had been by my side for the last 15 years, and that's pretty nuts to have your companion not there anymore. So I took some time off, and it was Christmas, etc. Anyway, got back to work and looked at the render I'd written and was like, no, fuck this. We need to fix this. So I just started rewriting the whole renderer, and there's nothing like starting again. It's very relaxing. Anyway, so that's why I'm so chill today, because I just casually started bare-bonesing out a new renderer for my job thing. Fiend has a German Shepherd as well. Sick. I know I'm still big, but I don't care. I'm just looking for something. This is Devil. He was sick. I don't know if I have any more photos of him. Why didn't that open? Can you see this? We don't need those anymore. Hold on. I'm just showing you pictures of my dog against your will. So this was him when he was 1 year old. Same deal. That's like some Loch Ness Monster shit. There's me when I'm like 21. There we are running. There he is chasing some ducks. There he is with a Christmas toy. There he is. Here we are wearing hats, but bear hats. That's him as a 2-month-old puppy, like the day I got him. Here he is with his teeth. Here he is playing with string. This is the house I'm in currently. And there he is in the thing. You get the vibe of that dog. He was an awesome legend. Anyway. I kind of finished that whole story. It's time to get back to what I was doing. He was a great dog. Ridiculously good. I can't wait to have another one and just try and do the same thing. Because I can't tell if I just got lucky or I'm a good dog trainer. So, what the hell am I up to right now? I'm trying to do this, and I know it happens at 38%. Tim Henson has me. He has my back. And he will guide me through this treacherous waters ahead. So, when does the animation get... the number get put in there? We're not the shotgun. We are the AK S74U. So, just checking shit is good. Am I smoking meth? No, I'm not. Meth is a bad drug and it's taken a lot of friends from me. Most of them are still alive, but they're not the same. Okay, where the hell will I replenish the ammo? It would have to be done in reload. Here it is. So, fuck. I kinda need to do this when it's reloading. I'm just gonna steal that. What have I stolen? That shit. I need to steal all that. Give reload ammo. I probably should do this in the actual AK thing. I should. I like working at the top of functions, and I move shit later. Off stream, I promise I do. So, if the animation is playing... I forget, whoops, how my code works, but I think this is how. If the weapon action, what's going on, is reload, and the animation, fuck, how am I gonna do this? This is dirty coding right now. Needs reload ammo, needs ammo reloaded. I'm just knocking up some weird flag to use in my chaos logic. Okay, if you reload, am I in the right thing? Yes. If you reload, where's reload? Here. Cool. So, if you're doing a reload and you need, whoops, not an ore, and the weapon is past the first 38%, is this really how games are made? I think it's a little bit psycho. Cool. So basically what this does is, if the ammo needs to be reloaded, and you're reloading, and the animation is past that, put it in there. Why are they over there? Sorry, I just went on a bit of an adventure without really talking to anyone. What's going on? Where do I work, bro? Who's my daddy? That's kind of a secret because of like, I don't know. That's private. It's not private, but I just want to keep my my personal life a little bit private because I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know who you guys are. I can't fucking trust anyone. So, hold on. And it's doing that thing where the window is in the wrong spot for pleasant viewing. Okay, so, what did I just do? Do you see that? It went in at the right time. Fucking gangster shit. Okay, so now I need to basically do the same thing for the Glock, right? Because that should go then. Okay. I don't want two monitors. The reason I don't want two monitors is because I like to just click this and then you guys are gone. Sometimes I need you out of my head. So the Glock needs to... I'm just going to save this file because it might save my my import settings, export settings. So the Glock reload happens when, at what percentage of the animation? I reckon then, which is frame 26 of 50. That's just 50%. You want a setup tour? Like, you mean what's outside the peripheral, what's outside the view frustum? I don't know. I've already shown this before. It's really not that exciting. It begins with the ashtray and these speakers. Then we have my shirts for when I go to court or a wedding. Plants, the deer. Behind the deer are some paintings of dogs. Another painting of a dog. Japanese Fender 1999 P-bass, and a piano and a bed. There's no sheets on my bed right now because I washed them. You have to, as an adult, you have to take care of your own washing. So, how do I center myself? I kind of have it like that, I think. That's the spot. So now, what was I doing? The Glock at 50% is when that needs to go in. So I could just do the same thing. Whoops. Yeah. Whoa, this is just gonna work. Except that's the wrong shit. That's all the AK stuff. Equals true. Equals rue. Yep. Hot reload. I mean hot load. Okay, maybe I have an error. I don't know. What's my income? My income changes based on how much I work. I get paid per day, and some weeks I do 2 days, sometimes. I've done a few 5-day weeks. That was sick. But I usually can't handle that much programming for someone else. Oh, wait, did that happen at the right time? I can't tell. I feel like it doesn't. Oh, you can't even see. Man. How do I deal with burnouts? I just take a break. Like at work, I just take a break. And if it's my own shit, I just take a break. That's what you do. And if your boss is a G, they'll let you do that because it's a part of programming. I feel like that's wrong. I can't tell if that's right. That is so far back. Shit's broken. What the fuck is going on now? Was it always like that? It's like extra far back. Ah, because it's not empty anymore. Damn it. God damn it. Window rendering scale issues. Yeah, I mean that's full screen. Whoops, need that ammo. And that's windowed. There's no scaling issues. The slide's about to fall off, yeah. What's happening there is I made the slide come out if the clip was at 0, but it stays at 0 during the reload animation now, so I've got to fucking add something to fix that. Basically I need a dirty little ball. Glock slide needs to be out. Okay, where the hell was this done? Here it is, so it's basically just this. We'll start that from scratch. Thank you, Jeremiah, that means a lot. I appreciate it. I hope I wasn't big this whole time. And if you don't believe in time, we got your back. Fuck yeah. No, I really appreciate that. All the money from my work and from this is just going to this game. That's all I want to do. Just pay for artists to make great models, great animations, and just put this motherfucker out. We didn't see a screen. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Did you miss what I just did? I just basically found the code that did the Glock stuff, and now it's hopefully working. So the slide is out. Wait, it's not out at all. Damn it. And now it's huge. So what the hell, why? Okay. So when you press reload, you need it. Yeah? For what gun? The Glock. Yes? Let me just think about what I'm doing here. Do you monetize your streams? None of the early ones were because I couldn't. I didn't have. You got to get a certain amount of. You got to get a certain amount of view hours and a bunch of other weird milestones. And then I hit those recently, and now I have monetized it. Yes. Except it's not currently monetized, so I'm not getting any money from this right now. But I think after the stream is done, I'll just click the little yes button, and then there'll be ads on it. Or something, or just, I don't really know how it works yet. Cool, so I need to figure out why the fuck this isn't working. Now, that should be equal to true now, right? Because it gets set to true when the... Oh, wait, no. Okay, I got this. If the ammo equals 0, look, I'm just writing this now. If... I want this function here. If the ammo is 0 and the Glock, okay. Yeah. I need some fucking monster if statement here because, okay, if it doesn't equal reload, okay, we're wrapping that in a giant motherfucker. Whoops. Sorry, I'm just trying to think about this shit. If the ammo in the Glock is 0, Now, if you're not reloading, that needs to be true. Or, if you are reloading, and the animation is less than, else if the animation is, fucking not after 50%, also needs to be true. Fuck. Set flag to move Glock slide out. Cool. You got a dono, bro. I did, from Jeremiah, thank you. Thanks heaps, man. Do I have a date planned for enemies? Yes, June 2nd, 2029. Nah, I'm just gonna do it when it's time. Like when all this shit's out of the way. I'm still kind of writing the renderer. And this stuff's not really related to the renderer, but I just want to do it anyway. Are games normally made with a bunch of if statements? I don't know. I think they have to be. How else would it work? Hold on, you guys can't see this. There's the slide. And it's still fucking giant. Because either this breaks. Wait. I need this. I think usually you'd have it a bit more like abstraction for something like this. Hot load. How can we predict when you're going to be live next? You can't, because I just do this when I have some spare time, and I do have a job and a band and other stuff. Working. Oh, fuck you. Did that not load? I feel like it didn't. Where are we in this? Where's this music coming from? This is the final track. Whoa. The reason that scared me is because if I play something, if YouTube auto plays a song that's copyright striked, then the stream just gets deleted. My band makes like sort of pop punk, folk punk, hip hop sort of stuff. I'm not telling you what my band is. You can do some bit of research. Fuck off. Sorry, I was still big then, but it's broken still. And you can't see the thing. Fuck, I'm not gonna get weapon sway done. Just, oh, I have to fix this. Okay. I need to... Well, no, I can't do that. True. Maybe this just has to be after this shit. I could just have like a hole in my logic there, like my own comprehension of how this works. Perhaps that just has to be done afterwards. When the timer reaches 0, I'm going to donate $5 to a charity, because there has to be some stakes here. But the goal is to get this done. Fuck, it looks even bigger than before. Am I not checking for that in here? I am. Oof. Okay. If you're not reloading, it needs to be out. Wait. I need a false here. I need a false. That's what I needed. Needs more half-naked girl cat hybrids. You reckon? Yeah, I'm in Slipknot. No, fuck Slipknot. I would rather die than be in that band. And that's it. God damn this. I wish that would just stay in the corner. Wait, I can just press F twice to do it. Fuck, that's gonna save time. Okay, so as you can see, the slide goes back. Then it's just regular. We're good. Okay, 23 minutes to do weapon sway, unless there was something else on this list. That's done. Well, perhaps the charities won't get any money. Is there any bugs with the AK? I don't think so. Gangster. Okay, weapon sway. Alright, how the fuck am I gonna do that? Let's think about this. If the mouse is being moved to the left, I need to add to some matrix or something. Which means I need some second transform, like a sway transform. Which, where is the camera stuff done? There's already a bunch of shit going on. Head, bob, breathe, bob, cam transform. So I need a sway transform. What does that do? Weapon sway. Sway transform. And where will this be done? What part of the matrix fucking stack? Head, breathe, camera. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm going to put it at the beginning. Now, if you don't know what the fuck a transform is, it's a struct that contains a position, rotation, and a scale. And that can be converted to a mat4, a matrix, a 4x4 grid of numbers, and those numbers can be used to move shit in 3D space. If it's easy code, if mouse pointer... I can't read this, I'm on the fucking clock. That's why I must stab this painting. Okay, so... fucking position.x, no y, maybe... Let's go rotation, actually. What do I want to move... Oh, sorry, I was big again. But now, seeing as I am big, can someone tell me in the chat, do I want to move the position or the rotation for this sway, weapon sway? How's it done? Rotation or position? I feel like it's actually position. I'm just trying to think. Get a decent haircut. What's the Half-Life 2 weapon sway? Do I rotate it or move the position? I don't know. I'm gonna try position. And I'm just gonna do that. And see what happens. Hot load. Okay. Anything? And while we're here, look at the light bug there. See there? Near the globe? I'll explain that later. Edits from A which cannot be compiled. Fuck you then. Because there was no semicolon. I think because we're in like position and rotation, lerp position, we need some more skits beats because this is serious. Pretty sure Stream Save 2 has more epic music. I need to be reminded that this has to happen immediately. Now I don't know if that did anything. Okay. If input X offset, I need to output some fucking values. Right now, I just need to try to figure out what numbers are going to help me here. Yep. I just want to know which way moving the mouse is. Is it X or Y to move the thing left or right? Because I feel like it's not the one you think it is. I appreciate all the suggestions. I'm just trying to code quickly, so I can't read it all very fastly. Okay, so moving left. What do you reckon it is? Fuck. It looks like it's hard to say for certain. It's very hard to say. I'm just going to assume it was Y. So, if the Y thing is less than 0. Right now I'm just trying to make it so... Fuck, I don't know what this is going to be. Okay, if you're moving the mouse and it's below 0 on one of the axes, move the weapon on some axis 100 somethings. X is left, right. You'd think so. Fuck, I hate that this is just... I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this spawning window location. Okay. Okay, you guys are wrong. It's up. So that's up. Oh wait, we need X. You guys were right. And 100's wrong. Maybe I want to apply this somewhere else. I don't know. Okay. That's too much. Where's the bomb timer gone? 16 minutes. I think you should make it interpolate. I definitely will. I just need to figure out how it's working. It's like moving the camera. I don't want to move the camera. I want to move the weapon. Right? I want to move the weapon. In the code that renders the weapon, right? Which happens here. Yep. Weapon sway. If you happen to be rendering the player weapon. I know this song just played, but I can't fix it right now. Sorry, I can't explain anything. This just has to happen immediately. Okay, let's see what that does. I'm using the correct data type. What do you mean? Everything is so chunky. What do you mean? How long am I streaming today? I don't know. I'm going to get this weapon sway done and then fix these other things on the list. These things. So not much longer. Half an hour? Maybe an hour? What's going on? Errors. That's because that's in there. Why not use Unreal Engine? Because I enjoy graphics programming and I enjoy solving problems and I don't want my game to look like everybody else's. I mean, I don't care. If theirs looked cool, I'd make my game look like theirs, but the Unreal Engine games and Unity games have this weird feel to them and look to them, and I want to do something cooler. it's swaying. Now it's gonna fucking interpolate that value and make it bigger. Okay, I need basically a static float x sway equals x sway target equals 0, right? Okay, watch me fuck this up. I'm just trying to interpolate. I have a util function that, am I big? No. Sorry, I can't interact right now, I just have to fucking get this. Util, it's like a lerp thing, right? It's called like a fin lerp or something. God damn it. I just have to scroll this entire thing. Here it is. Okay. Wait, that happens in here. Fin lerp from where? The current is this. No, the current is that. Wait. Sway target plus plus. Wait. Yeah, okay. Now fin lerp. Got it. Wait. This is static. Fin lerp the sway position dot x to what? The target. These songs aren't psycho enough for me. And delta time. I don't have delta time here. Well, we're just gonna assume this. Oh, fuck. This is cursed. I can't pass delta time to all these things. Well, what is delta time? It's 1 over 60. Cool, fin lerp that. What's wrong here? Speed? God. I don't know, 10? Is this right? Fuck. We'll see if that works. Jeremy, I'm afraid that does need to be static because it needs to exist over frames. Well, look at this disgusting. I don't know, that doesn't need to be static though. What's going on here? I feel like that speed is very wrong. Let's go very slow. Oops. I don't know if this is fucking working. The bomb is the speedrun timer. I feel like any amount of weapon sway gets me through the speedrun. As long as it's interpolating. The target to be static. You're goddamn right. The target has to be static. Okay, sway transform. Is that right? This returns a float. Does it? Yep. Rebuild. Indiana Spliff. Where is he? I mean, India Spliff. I feel like this is it. Is it happening? It's too short. I reckon this kind of stuff could be hot loaded. Got to keep the momentum. What do we have? This will do. What is happening? I don't see anything. No, that's not right. I gotta think about this. How does this fucking interpolation shit work? I know I should know this. The current, the target. So it returns the interpolated value by taking in those two things. So the current thing is, it does need to be static, I swear. I think it's backwards. I think you guys are backwards. I think you guys are backwards. Store the sway offset as a static variable. The target isn't static. That's what I've done. Transform needs to be static. Yes, that's how I had it. But then someone, probably on acid, told me to do it the other way. Whee! Cool. So that's too much sway. I mean, too much speed. And the left is like, I need to just load this again. So I'm just going to get some dirty weapon sway working to beat the speed run, then we can fine tune it after the fact. Oh, this is already feeling fucking gangster. So it's like too much for the right. We'll go 1.5 and we'll say that's maybe just that. I don't know. I know I said I wasn't going to fine tune this, but I am. They're being hot loaded. It takes a few seconds though. Yeah, I know this is a bit excessive, but it feels weird going up. I was going to donate to Suicide Prevention Australia if I lost this. Okay, now vertical. Okay. Why? 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 Here we go. What kind of game is it going to be? A horror roguelike when you play single player or co-op, and then deathmatch, which is what I'm going to make first. This is mental. As in, like, excessive. Okay, this needs to be pretty much like nothing. We'll divide it by what? 4, which is I don't know how to maths anymore. I'm just gonna do this. Let's just do this. Can that be hot loaded? Make up and down sway half. On it. What's the plan for today? The plan is almost over. Why is it so jiggly? Like going up is jiggly. I feel like it has to be over a certain amount. Otherwise it's just gonna go wonky. Now I don't know what this number should be. I'm just gonna say fucking... Fuck. The problem is just aiming straight up is like wonky because it's picking up movement on the x-axis. Let's say it should be less than float x threshold equals 0. Fuck. Is this pixels? Less than negative that, greater than that. I've got to rebuild this. Actual delta mouse values. Yeah, I know, but there's only 2 minutes and I don't have time to fucking think properly. PC specs. I have no hard drive. I mean, no, I have a hard drive. I have no DVD drive. Well, I think that everything's broken, but at least it works. So, Australia, what was I going to say? The Australia Suicide Prevention Hotline, or whoever they are, gets no money, because this is a win, if you ask me. Man, jump never works. The knife has sway. Of course it does. Everything gets sway. Sorry, I'm just trying to feel this, like pretend I didn't write it and just see if it feels cool. It feels kind of shit, actually. I don't know. I kind of don't want to fix this right now. I know that's not on brand, but it's... I want to tweak that and look at it properly. Hover icon for the door open. I do have something, like if you look at the cursor, it turns to a square. And you have to actually be looking at it. I know that's not conventional. I know it's just like when you're near it. And same with the drawer. It's only when you're aiming at it. But I think fuck conventions. It's sort of like a point and click adventure. Did I beat the speedrun or not? Opposite directions. Nah, I don't think so. Do you reckon? Could be. What's up, boy? Better know. You know what? That's actually way better. Is it? I don't know. I can't decide. And oh fuck! Is that backwards? Jesus Christ! Alright. I feel like I won. Did I or not? Left and right, vertical seems a bit weird, but left and right seem okay. Yeah, that is so much better. Thanks for watching that mess. 90 minutes of just fucking around with little numbers. I am going to tweak that and make it look fucking baller. I just could not hold it together. I just couldn't think quick enough. I forgot how fucking float interpolation worked. Needs a coat of polish. Whoa. Yeah, thanks so much for watching and telling me that I did it. To be honest, I'm not happy with that sway at all. It's disgusting. But I do like everything else I did today. Like getting those animations working, that's never easy. I'm still kind of in the mood to program, and there's some stuff that needs doing, so I'll just smoke this weed to just as a reward. And then we can, whoever still is here, can... I'm actually going to read the chat now, that's what I'm going to do. Just help answer questions. You know what? This song is distracting my brain. Let me just change it to something relaxing. The streams are therapeutic. I find doing the streams a mix of relaxing and schizophrenia inducing, and I enjoy both sides of the spectrum. Sorry I'm so close to the camera, I'm just cutting weed up with my fingers. If I'm rolling weed on stream, look, fuck the terms and services. Fuck the terms and services. If I get blocked on this, I'll just move somewhere else. The whole thing about these streams is I'm not changing anything about my life. If you wanna, like, the reason I'm smoking and not wearing a shirt properly and doing other weird shit is because that's what I do. I'm not gonna like put on a special outfit just to be in front of the camera. I would add multiplayer. How do I plan on doing that? I really don't want to do networking for some time. I'm not sure if you just got here or how much you know, but there is split screen multiplayer, and that's what I'm going to focus on first, because that doesn't require any weird hold on, I just want to get the game on screen while I'm talking. It doesn't require much. It only requires what I've already done, rendering the scene twice from two different perspectives. Just don't show the weed. I'll show the weed, just don't report me. Weed's legal where I live. I live in California. When you're hooking up a simple data system, it would speed up those fiddly kinds of tasks massively. Which kind of data are you referring to? I know you can't see the ammo counter. What do I plan on naming the game? I don't know. I've got a few ideas, but none of them are cool enough. Do I plan on releasing this, or is it a hobby project? Yeah, I want to release it. Fuck yeah, I do. That is the goal. That's why I'm going so hard, because I want to release something. Oh, I want to make a fucking cult classic. Australia-fornia. Well, however you pronounce that. Delta. Yeah. No, I definitely can do weapon sway properly. I will make it look good. I just need to be alone, I think. It's a very fiddly thing, and I just feel stupid. It's hard to do game logic tweaking on stream. Like, yeah. Am I going to make the painting change colors for crosshair? When you hover over each tile. Like this tile. Maybe it... I don't know. So anyway... excuse me. Next up, I want to do an apology, because during the Christmas stream, I had to add two textures together, and I was like, how do I do this? I went on Discord and asked in graphics programming, and someone said use compute, and I was like, that's fucking stupid, bro. And then I did it this really stupid way. And his name is Pat, he was absolutely right. That's how it should be done. To add two textures together, you just use compute. You don't want to do what I did, which is just render to an off-screen target, like a temporary thing. I'll have to look at the code to see exactly how I did it, but it was stupid. And this... fuck, I put too much weed in this fucking joint, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I need to fix some shit. How long have you been smoking weed? Do you ever plan to quit? Yeah, I quit. Whenever we go on tour, I quit cigarettes because you just lose your voice if you're playing a show every night. Weed, I don't really smoke it it seems like I'm just high all the time, but I'm not. I just like doing it before bed and on these streams because I think it's sort of, I don't know, it's cool to program high on stream, it's fun. My job is graphics programming. So, I keep getting asked about Crylink. In OpenGL, I guess the word compute was said. Was it this? No. I'm just trying to find where I was wrong. Here it is. Am I showing the right thing? Yeah. I said, can I add 2 textures additively? Pat says compute. And I was like, that's wrong. So let's fix that. In the glass pass. So for this glass, basically what happens is the whole scene's rendered as usual. Then I render the window out as geometry, like just the window is rendered out, like the shape of this, and in that shape it's blurred and some other stuff is done, it's made darker or whatever. Then I do some ridiculous bullshit to add this into the main image. So right now I'm going to just do that in compute. And a compute shader is just a different kind of shader. It's just a piece of code that runs on the GPU. It's outside of the main raster pipeline. Raster? So, that's all happening here. It's just here. It's here. Wait, no, it's not. Glass composite. Fuck, can I do this right now? This requires a bit of thinking. It should sway behind. Is it not doing that? I can't tell. Ready for the new reload? There it is. I don't know, should I do this compute shit now? I feel like it is just gonna ruin my stream. Okay. This is easy. Render the glass. Draw the glass. That combines them into this. This isn't actually quite... Oh no. No, you know what? I'm not doing this now because it is actually quite... requires a bit of thinking. What else is on my list? Damn it. The thing I'm talking about not wanting to do. I will fix this bug though. See here? The light up there. And also here. The light's up there. I'm simply not clearing the emissive texture, I think. At the start of the geometry pass. That clears them. So I just need to find the G buffer and clear the right texture. Which is probably done in the renderer G buffer. That's definitely the emissive. It is texture 6. These are just render targets, like attachments, and now it's cleared. Load that. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, sorry for claiming I was going to do that compute thing now. I just cannot be fucked. I'm just going to check this bug is fixed. And it is. Lovely. Cool. That's my winning my winning thing. I need a good view. While I read the chat. Although you won't be able to even see that. So this is question time, and then I'm going to stop. Did I go to college or uni? I didn't. Sometimes sway is too instantaneous. It snaps, if I'm not wrong. Not a speedrun today. I speedrun all the weapon stuff and managed to make it somehow. But yeah, thanks heaps for watching these streams. They're fun to do. How many spliffs per hour? No weed or stream today, just at the end. I've coded for 6 or 7 years, I'm not sure, something like that. I learned C++ by just working through tutorial websites. And I did a bit of C# before then. Like I actually got into OpenGL through OpenTK. My first 6 months of it I did through OpenTK, which is like a C# implementation. And then I just hit a wall. I was like, what the fuck? All these tutorials don't make any sense to me. So I just bit the bullet and learned C++ at the same time as working through Learn OpenGL. And if you want to learn this stuff, that's what I recommend. Just learn C++, learn OpenGL.com, work your way through it. Just do that over and over until you're confident. And start making an engine right away. So, whoops, I'm big. It's so sick to have these reloads in here, the new ones. I love seeing new shit in here. Unreal is fine if you want to just use the program, but I'm not into that. I love programming low-level shit and like tweaking individual things, and I'm sure you could do that in Unreal, but I like the fact that this fucking I love the fact that I just designed this myself. You know, that it's really satisfying. My exe is like 2 megabytes, and then I just have these textures. Just have these textures and some animations. Like that's how I feel like that's how it should be. I have modded a bunch of people. Anyway, thanks for watching the stream. I'm gonna fucking get some sleep and program my job tomorrow. Oops. So, if you're new here, this is what I'm doing. I am just editing the JavaScript that I wrote that makes this bomb work. The bomb in the corner. And yeah, I need a better song, of course. What could we have? What haven't we heard 1,000 times yet? Something safe to play. Well, this will do. Thanks for watching. I think the next one I want to do is either Destructible Glass, that's probably going to be a few streams because it's quite elaborate and I've never done that before, or Ragdolls. And that might be a big one. Thanks for watching. Peace, Nan. Nan or none? See you, Bradley. Fuck, how long is this timer? 90 minutes. I'm not gonna wait that long. Come on. Did I not reload the fucking cache of this thing? Why is it 90 minutes? Because this is what I need to change. Sorry, I obviously got too high. There we go. Like an encore. Peace, Zolo. I use GLFW. Not a number. Fuck yeah.